In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the HDFC credit card reward points. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The quickest and easiest way to do this is to redeem your credit card reward points through the net banking app for the HDFC bank. So go to the net banking for your HDFC bank card or account and log in. After you input your login details and you are properly signed up, from the left-sided menu, select your credit card by going to the Credit Cards tab and selecting at the top. After you ensure that you have selected the proper card, you can just select Continue, and again, from the left-sided menu, on the detail page for that specific card, you have the option to redeem reward points. You can change it for Fast Track, Insta e-vouchers, or even cash redemption. In this method, we're going to select cash redemption, and after you do, you just have to input how many of the available points you want to redeem as cash. Select the amount, redeem the points, and then select Proceed, and the cash amount will be credited to your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the HDFC credit card reward points. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.